Hey everybody, and welcome back to my studio. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw a Switch character, a Nintendo Switch character, okay? So grab a piece of paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna draw a big rounded rectangle shape, like this. Just like that. And that is the base of our Nintendo Switch. Next, we're gonna draw a line here and a line here. We're gonna go inside the shape and draw a rectangle for the screen and back up. And there we have our whole big shape. So now we gotta do the fun part and we gotta draw the details of the character. So we come inside on the screen and we're gonna draw a round circle for an eye, another one over here, and let's give these eyes some eyelashes. Like that. Let's give our character some big pupils, fill them in. Next, we're gonna do some eyebrows above the eyes. Now let's give our character a cute little smile, just like that. Some round cheeks on the side, and let's give her some legs. We have one here, and then a curved line. We'll do a straight line, and then finish around behind, like that. Perfect. Next, let's give her some arms. And let's finish the details of the Nintendo Switch. We have a circle here, circle, 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 then a little square right there. Back over on this side, we're gonna do a circle, a little square, and a circle, 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 and we can't forget the little plus right there. I think we should give our little Switch a bow. So we'll put a circle there, then a rounded bow shape. That, and let's give her a little hair coming out. Perfect. Some details. Finish off with some shadows here. A couple more details around. And there, we have a cute little Nintendo Switch. Good job, and thank you for following along with me. Come back soon and we'll draw more characters. Bye!
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit yayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!